And here it says the use of specialized software to handicap customers trading. Now that part is just really criminal. And reading throughout this whole file, there's no chance that they're gonna win this. And I have just been shocked at everything that has been said in here. And I'm just gonna be going over the part that, is the worst in my opinion. They marketed this as, if you make money, then they make money. But in their case, you were never trading with real money. It was all fake, it was all demo. And basically the fees and commissions that you were paying per trade was also going to them, while there were actually no fees because it was not a real market. So they were in reality a counterparty to all customer trades. When customers make money, it means that Traders Global loses money. And this is where it gets really bad. Traders Global utilizes various devices to reduce the likelihood or amount of profitable trading by customers. And here it says the use of specialized software to handicap customers trading and the artificial windering of price spreads for certain successful customers. Now that part is just really criminal, guys. I don't know what kind of person you have to be to run this kind of a business where, if somebody is a successful trader, you sabotage them into losing. I think that's a complete 180 of what they are supposed to be. What a pro firm is supposed to be. It's supposed to be helping people with funds. So when they're a good trader, they can capitalize on their trading skills and actually make money, but they were trying to sabotage those people. And I think that is totally unacceptable. And reading throughout this whole file, there's no chance that they're gonna win this. There's just so much in there. It's practically a Ponzi scheme where they were just taking the fees and paying people out from the fees, and they needed more people to buy to pay off the previous customers who make money. And while they were doing that, they were also trying to minimize the profits from the guys who were winning. Just think about it yourselves. What kind of a person do you have to be to think of a business like this, to run a business like this? The CEO seems like a nice guy, but you have to be some type of a person to, run a business like this. It's just not a good look for the whole prop firm industry. And I know for a fact that this is not the only prop firm doing this. I've had prop firms where, once you get funded, suddenly the spreads become so awful. I was like $600 in profit, and then I ended up closing the trades and I was only $100 in profit. And this happened throughout the whole funding stage where I actually lost the account because the spreads were just horrible. While on other accounts, I was trading actually with the same broker and I didn't have that issue. So I don't know, there's something fishy with 8cap as well. With some prop firms, they do work really well. You have the regular commissions, you have the regular spreads. And with some prop firms, they do some really sketchy things. And also really important is not to take a prop firm that has their own broker. So like My Forex Funds, they had the Traders Global broker, and that was a complete scam. And there are some other pro firms. I will mention one. True Forex Funds has their own broker, and I've seen that the fees are really bad. Spreads are okay, but fees sometimes are horrible. And I would do research for a while, guys, to pick out some pro firms that I think are really good still. But I would definitely be setting some of my funds into a regular broker and just trade a regular broker as well. That is for sure the safest way to go. But I do think that pro firms are still going to be around, and there is an ethical way to do it. So I don't think it's the end for all pro firms, but I do think that these kinds of pro firms are going to be in trouble. It's basically also the specialized software adds delay or slippage to customer orders. Traders Global does this in order to reduce the likelihood or amount of a customer's profitable trading. There's a lot of talk about the slippage, guys. And if you want to read this whole thing, there's actually 40 pages to this, and how you will access it is if you go here to the complaint, and then it will actually download the PDF file and you can look at it yourselves. I'm going to be using the broker Vantage. If you do want to copy me with that, you can join in the description below. I've just had a really good experience with them. Spreads are really good. Trading fees are really good. I already have a little bit of a series. I was trying to make $100 into $1,000 with this broker, and I'll be doing another series soon. I would try to make 1,000 into 10,000. I may actually do some copy trading on this broker as well. So you can actually copy my trades on the broker as well. I mean, brokers are really the safest option right now, but there are some prop firms that I still think that are really good. And I'll be making a video on that soon. Anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.